Hi there, Michaela Chan here from Hayman Partners, stepping in today for Anthony McCormack with edition 4 of our Market Wrap. Today I'll cover off on what's making news in our real estate markets. April saw an increased level of listing activity in the first 2 weeks of the month, followed by a steep decline in the remaining weeks. This was likely driven by school holidays and also Anzac Day, which fell across this time. Overall, we saw combined new listing numbers decline across the month by approximately 17%. However, April finished up with only a slight decline in activity compared to the same time last year. Residential sales stock levels are still well above what was seen in 2023. This flooding of supply and accumulation of stock could further cool the market, drive days on market up further still, and impact properties that have not sold. Listing and auction activity in April has also been impacted by several factors, primarily the school holidays and the Anzac Day public holiday. We have seen the share of listings choosing auction as their method of sale sitting at approximately 36%, while many of the auctions from March reverted to private treaty sales after being passed in. With weekly clearance rates continuing to be in the 50 to 60% range, we expect many of these auctions will themselves also revert to private treaty sales over May. Days on market for houses decreased minus 5.6% over April, however, has not fully recovered from the spike seen in March. The increase in total supply coming to the market seen over the last months has resulted in properties remaining longer on the market. Days on markets for units grew slightly over April again. This is due to increased stock levels on site combined with several ACT public holiday periods impacting open homes and auctions. Canberra is back on its road to recovery after the short slip in the previous quarter. House prices now sit at $1.05 million, just over $127,000 or 11% below the June 2022 peak. House and unit rents increased for a second consecutive quarter, persistent growth not seen in almost 2 years. The median house rent is $685 per week, only $5 lower than the high last seen in March 2023. Canberra is the only city to see house rents fall annually, although the rate of decline continues to ease. Unit rents are at a record high median of $570 per week. In the March quarter, they rose 1.8%, the same as the previous quarter, providing consistent growth that has accelerated annual gains to the highest since December 2022. That's it for this wrap. Thanks for watching. See you next month.